A hotel currently uses a model-driven application to process guest check-ins. The hotel administration now intends to develop a Canvas app for the housekeeping team to monitor cleaning inventory. This application will require a dedicated Dataverse instance. Which tool must an administrator utilize to provision the necessary environment for this new project? Option A, Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Option B, Microsoft Power Platform Admin Center. Option C, Power Apps Maker Portal. Option D, Microsoft Azure Portal. This question focuses on the administrative tools within the Power Platform ecosystem. Specifically, we are looking for the environment where you manage the lifecycle of a Dataverse instance. It is important to distinguish between tools used for building apps, managing global user licenses, and managing platform-level administrative tasks, such as environment provisioning. In my view, the correct answer is option B, Microsoft Power Platform Admin Center. This is the central hub for managing Power Platform environments, setting data policies, and handling integration configurations. It provides the necessary controls for creating and provisioning the Dataverse instances required for your project. As for the other options, the Power Apps Maker Portal is primarily used for developing and customizing applications rather than managing infrastructure. The Microsoft 365 Admin Center handles user accounts and subscriptions, while the Azure Portal is dedicated to managing broader cloud infrastructure, not specific Power Platform environment lifecycles. Keep this distinction in mind for your exam. Always look for the dedicated platform management tool.